Welcome to unboxing video of a new football jersey from Ghana national team Black Stars. Guys, let's dive in. We got a present. Oh my god. Can you guess what's in this box? Well. I want you to surprise yourself with this present, guys. Let's unbox Ghana World Cup 2026 football kits. Well, guys, are you ready? Oh my god, I can see yellow and I can see white. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Are you excited as well? Oh my god. Oh my god. The yellow is looking very vibrant, and the white, oh my god. The white actually looks so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. I need to put this on. So this is how the neck look like. The neck is all around black, and also if you look here, the sleeve also have a black under the armpit area, and the Ghana flag is at the back here. I think there's a company, it's called Refiber, that design it. And if you look here, the Puma logo is also here, like Ananse web, like spider webs. It's quite a nice fabric. It's 100% polyester. Yeah, so if you want to redesign it and put a number or recustomize it to yourself, you can, but you know, I'll definitely redesign the white one. But this is how it look like. Very nice texture. And also there's a signature FIFA, I believe it's a FIFA, yes, authentic license label on here. So yeah, right, so guys, you can definitely purchase this from Puma, Puma UK. I'll display the video, I'll display the websites on the video. So if you want to get the football kit, make sure you get it before it's run out. So this is the white one. I'll be wearing the yellow one probably to create a video tomorrow in the UK. So yes, feel free to like the channel and also share this video with your friends and family. Yep, I'll definitely be wearing this jersey, and you shall see me everywhere in the UK or in Ghana. Thank you so much. This is unboxing. Wow, guys, look at this baby. This is how the white look like. It's very nice. The sizings look perfect. So if you're small, make sure you order small. If you are medium, make sure you order medium. And if you are large, make sure you order large. You know, I love my stuff to be very free, because you know, when I'm creating content or when I'm in a hot country, I like to be free. So yes, the sizings are perfect. So guys, this is how the white one look like. I'm going to customize it. I'll put some designs at the back. So yes, this is unboxing of Ghana football kits. Ghana football is here. Oh my god, what do you think I should put at the back? Please do let me know. What do you think I should put at the back? Number 9, Akplajoji, or what do you think I should put? This is an unboxing. I'll be wearing the yellow one in the next video. So make sure you share this video and lock up, so that when I post the yellow one, you will be the first one to be notified. Kakalika. 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 Kakalika.